Hello, I'm Catherine Daniels from Washington State University. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a list of all the adjuvants registered in Washington. Although adjuvants are regulated as pesticides in Washington, they are not regulated that way in Oregon, so you won't find any Oregon registrations for adjuvants in PICOL. If you have never used PICOL and you haven't listened to the main tutorial, you should stop this session, listen to the main tutorial first, then come back to this one afterwards. Before we start the search, let's review PICOL's 8 different adjuvant types. Go to the dictionaries link and then select pesticide type. Adjuvants are separated out by their functions: water conditioners, buffers and acidifiers, compatibility agents, drift control and deposition aids, extenders and stickers, anti-foaming agents, surfactants, and a broad catch-all category, Other. Notice that each of the adjuvant codes contains the string of letters A, D, J. Knowing this information will help us run the database search. To access the search page, select Return to Query. Let's start with the PICOL Advanced Search. To switch to this screen, click on the blue Advanced Search button. In the area that contains the state checkboxes, make sure that Washington is selected and that the year of registration is set at current year only. In the Item to Search On box, scroll down and select Pesticide Type. Leave the logic operator set to the default, like. In the Common Name box, type in the letters A, D, J. Click on the Submit Query button so that the database will run the search. On the search results page, you can see there are 443 matching labels today. That number may vary on a daily basis depending upon the registration status of each product. In order to view the labels, click on the Format Labels button so that we may choose the output. In this case, leave it on the Standard Output and select the View Labels button. The list that comes up is alphabetized by name and contains all of the adjuvants registered in Washington. Don't forget that you can move the search results into a spreadsheet by selecting the Export to Excel button. There is a second method to search for adjuvants based on use sites. Select the New Query button. Back on the main page, again, select the dictionary. Then select the crop dictionary. The first 3 crop codes tell you that we have adjuvants coded into 3 categories: ones that specify aquatic uses, ones that state crop uses, and ones that state non-crop and non-aquatic uses. To find labels using any of these 3 crop codes, return to the main search screen by clicking the Return to Query button, and use the simple search feature that has been outlined in the main tutorial. For a very quick example, we'll choose crop equals an aquatic adjuvant, submit the query. We will then format the output and view the labels, so we now have a list of all aquatic adjuvants registered in Washington.